Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to recover My Eyes Only pictures on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app. Then here we can see our memories icon. So tap on it to go to your memories. After that, select My Eyes Only tab here. Then tap on Setup to set up a passcode to the My Eyes Only tab. Then follow these guides to make a passcode. Then you can add any memory to the My Eyes Only pictures. Go to your memories and tap and hold on a photo. Then select more and select My Eyes Only for hide snap. Then your photo will be hide in My Eyes Only tab. To recover it, simply can tap and hold on this photo and tap on this unhide icon. Now again you can see your image in your memories tab. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.